Now that you've gotten a good introduction on how to format text, we're going to take a fully formatted Word document and convert it to HTML. So on the right here, you see the Word document. This will be included in the GitHub repository as both a Word doc and a PDF in case you don't have Word. And on the left, you see the HTML file we're going to be working with, which is called bio.html. You can also see that since we're taking this and making it a full web page, I've included the HTML boilerplate. So let's change this. Since it's my bio, I'm going to call it About Joe Casabona. And then I'm going to delete this comment, and I'm just going to copy all of this text in to the document. And just like with our Sherlock Holmes text, there is no formatting. So let's wrap this so we could see the text better. And we're going to go through and format everything. So first we have what is a heading 1 tag here. So we'll add the H1 tag. And then we have our first paragraph. So first I'm going to indent this twice so that it lines up with the heading tag inside the body tag. And I'm going to add the paragraph tag here. Now, inside of this paragraph, it looks like master's degree in computer science is italicized. So we're going to use the EM tag because we want to emphasize this part. And then we'll move on to the second paragraph. So again, we'll indent starting at line 12, add the P tags, and then check for formatting. So it looks like almost 20 years is in bold and the University of Scranton is italicized. So again, we want to show that this is important. So we're going to use the strong tag instead of just the standard B tag. For the University of Scranton, this is strictly stylistic formatting because it is the title of a institution, so we're going to just use the standard I tag here. All right, and that does it for this paragraph. Now scrolling down, it looks like educator and family man is a heading 2. So we'll add the H2 tags before and after educator and family man. And then we have our next paragraph. So we'll indent, we'll add the P tag, and then we will check for formatting. It looks like Yankees is here in bold and Star Wars is italicized. Since neither of these are of semantic importance to the biography, I'm going to put the Yankees in the B tags so that it's formatted as bold, but it's not meaningful. And then again, Star Wars, since it's a title like the University of Scranton, I'll just use the I tags. On the next paragraph, we'll add our P tags here. And then it looks like the title of the book is underlined. So we will use the U tag here to underline the title of the book. And then finally, we have our last heading, which is an H3. And our last paragraph, which has no additional formatting to it. So we'll just add the last paragraph here. We'll save this, and then we'll see how it looks in the browser. All right, so we've got some nice formatting here. We were able to use both the important or emphasized tags as well as the less semantically meaningful tags for both bold and italics. And we underlined the title of our book. If we compare that to the Word document here, we could see that even though the theme that's being used in Word is different, we have the same kind of visual cadence in both the Word document and in the web page.